Hi my country people, the tori wey I bring today no sweet belle at all, but as una know say na God dey give and na him dey take. Time to laugh dey and time to cry dey, but we pray make God comfort the family of the people wey tragedy happen to for the past few days. David Adeleke, wey everybody know as Davido, na one multi-talented award-winning singer wey don lose many close friends and family since e dey 10 years. The first person na Mrs. Veronica Adeleke, wey be im mama. She died for 2003 at the age of 39. Davido lose im mama the time wey im just dey learn about the basic things of life. Na every time im dey talk say im dey miss im mama for social media. Sweet mother. The second person na DJ Tagbo, wey be close padi to Davido. E died for October 3rd, 2017 at around 8:55 p.m. after e waka go shisha room for Lekki go celebrate im birthday with im friends. Another painful death for the singer na the death of Olugbenga Abiodun, wey be son of the present governor of Ogun State, Dapo Abiodun. The guy died on the 7th of October 2017, few days after the death of DJ Tagbo. Police confirm say im die of hard drug wey dem find for inside im car. Habib Uthman, wey everybody know as Obama DMW, na close friend and road manager to Davido. We hear say im get complication for breathing wey come make am die for June 29, 2021. Na im be the founder of Obama Music Worldwide. Fortune Atemuname na another DMW crew member wey im death hurt Davido so much. Na im be im private photographer. Na through Davido, Fortune get the opportunity to work with other big-time celebrities like Burna Boy, Tiwa Savage, Wizkid, Akon and Mayokun Adewale. Fortune get the opportunity to travel with Davido for im private jet to over 50 countries in the world. We hear say the guy fall inside water and die when e dey try to take special angle shot in one location for Lagos. Ogbeide Tijani Olamilekan, wey dem dey also call Uncle TJ, na Davido's private bodyguard. We hear say im die for December 8, 2020 at the age of 36 years after im don battle with one sickness wey dem no make public. The last death wey pain and touch Davido pass out of all the deaths wey im don deal with na the death of the only son wey dey between im and Chioma. Ifeanyi Adeleke, wey be the first son of Davido, pass away on the 31st of October 2022, wey be the few days after im third birthday. The news of im death shock everybody wey come make the bad tori break the internet. Immediately after Ifeanyi died, news started flying around say na lie, the boy never die. We even see one video for social media where the boy lie down for hospital. Not until Lagos State Police Command come out come tell us say the autopsy wey dem do confirm say true true the boy sink for water and e don die. According to wetin Lagos State Police Public Relations Officer Benjamin Hundeyin tok wen im dey follow journalists yarn last Saturday. E tok say dem don finish di autopsy for di 3-year-old boy but dem neva stop dey investigate di mata. Since di boy die, pipo from all over di world don dey follow share in di sorrow wey hit di Adelekes. Even di Ovation magazine publisher and former presidential aspirant Dele Momodu go visit di country home of di Adelekes for Osun State, wia e go express his own sympathy for di family. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my pipo wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so dat sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.